I just sort of have a look where I can see there. And oops, that's probably too big. Now I'm just going to fold it over the back so it's out of the way, okay? You don't want the tape in your way, like that, because it's just stopping the paint from getting to the edges and gives you a nice clean area, okay? So, make sure it's flat. And just put that there. Okay. Great. So I've taped it off all the way around the edges, okay? And it's creating a border. Now, let's get to painting. I'm going to use some beautiful red. I've got some pink here. Pink. I've got orange. Some gorgeous sunset colours. And yellow. These are for my background. And I've also got some black paint for my silhouette. So let's get started. I've also got some water and some brushes. Oh, whoops. I've already made a problem. But I'm going to keep going. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Alright. So I'm going to just dab on a little bit of red. A little bit of orange. And some yellow to start with, okay? So I'm not going to put my pink on yet. I'm going to put the pink on last. Then I'm going to grab some water so you can see I've got red, orange, yellow, alright? And a big mess on my page which came from somewhere I'm not aware of. And then I'm just going to start painting my page. I'm going to blend the colours. Blending the colours that I have there. Okay, I might start from the top now and work my way down. Until all of my colours are a beautiful blended colour. And then last of all, I'm going to pop some pink down the bottom here. And that will sort of start creating that beautiful, kind of almost purplish hue that we might get during a sunset. Blending, 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 blending. Okay? So there I have some blended colours, as you can see. Now you wait for it to dry, and I'll be back in just a moment for it to dry. Oh, okay, it's dry. Now let's do some painting. I'm going to get my black paint and pour it out just a little bit on the edge there. And I need a nice small brush for this part. So, as you can see, the branches are really just some lines that start thicker and start tapering off and forking off into the smaller thin areas and tapering away. So let's do that. You don't have to get too complicated with this. I'm going to add enough water to my black so that it's nice and smooth and not clumpy because we want to glide it over the page. So I'm just going to start creating lines to start with. And I sometimes twirl my brush a little bit as I go and it will create these sort of natural craggy lines which I think look really amazing when it comes to painting trees. So as you can see, I'm tapering off as I go. Just tapering it off. And you can do as many of these as you want to. Okay? It's nice and easy. And just make sure it's nice and balanced on the page. And you can just keep adding your limbs of your tree until you're incredibly happy with it. And little forks. Some of them can overlap. Using the tip of my brush now just to get some really fine, interesting marks down, okay? Alright, so I'm quite happy with that tree. That's pretty cool. Alright, I might even have one, just looking at it, I'd like one kind of going, I'd like to thicken that up and have something going off in the other direction. Just to balance, keep it all balanced. Now, there we are. Now let's put some cute little birdies on. You can keep this really simple, they're just little round body, little squishy head and a tail, okay? So let's do that. I'm going to put them here on the edge. So I do round body, little squishy head. You don't have to put the beak and things in there and then the tail coming off behind. And that looks like a little bird, okay? And then we'll do another one sitting next to him. Little round body, little squishy head, and then a tail. And they're both just sitting there enjoying the sunset, okay? And there you have a beautiful little card. Now, the exciting part is taking off the, let's take off, but first of all, I'm going to dry it. Okay, let's take off the tape. This is the cool part. Let's see what happens. So I'm going to do this carefully. I might edit this out, just in case. Just carefully. You have to do it quite slowly, actually, because you don't want to rip your paper. Okay, so just be super cautious while you're taking your tape off, and especially on the front half.